Hi guys, this is the relay unit I started to switch. Initially this is sort of like last century early. This is a solid state. Going solid state is not so good. You can see the Arduino board, which is a actual DC that goes in alternating currents. That's the old pendulum. The old pendulum used, not as high quality. That's an old little fidget spinner bit which fell apart under high speed. And that's the solenoid and pendulum rocking back and forth. Now you won't see it. I'm just going to switch to a high close macro zoom on my lens, give you a bit of close, not that much better. I have to believe that it is swinging about 3 or 4 degrees for about half an hour, slowly building up. It's really good. There's not different modes going on in the place. And this is one of the solid things is to get into solid state switching. Then you can really increase. This is those beautiful Arduino wiring. They're just about a cent each. And coming back here to the Arduino is actually just a shield. You actually just put the driver physically, it clips over the top of the other chip. This is back at the screen. Actually just a shield. You actually just put the driver physically, it clips over the top of the other chip. This is back at the screen. I've photographed it. That's the enlarged photograph. This is the broad view, and you can see I've zoomed in, electronically zoomed in on that. And here's the time. And if I click the screen, come on, click the screen, it will give the keyboard control of this. Allows me to press the period sign, or period comma, period forward, hitting the period forward, and you can actually just move it and freeze frame it at the actual time. Record the time in seconds and frames. That's how it goes, 30 frames. And when you've done that, you've got a few of those, you just reveal your whole screen. But this is only just because you don't click on going between screens. If it's a line, and generally you can take 20 points. It's really effective. 3.58 to put into a formula, and it's in my email for a little people. My wife giving me tasks all the time to go through. Okay, so this is the Arduino board, and this is all very slow. We just put a delay, and I put the variable 1290 milliseconds. Put it in there. Just came out the calculation there, and then you just send it to the Arduino board. Now, unfortunately, I've got the Arduino board executing at this point in time, so it mightn't go through. It's busy sending it stuff. Halfway through there, but it is execute. Oh no, it's executed a command. It's doing two things: module and upload data at the same time. Okay, and I've given it a second go. Punch it in there, and go. Punch it in there. And it's looking a little bit better here by this sort of time. It's really good. Yeah, it's done. AVI dude, I didn't realize before. And with this, you're